our global system. That's why we can take care of tree planting because throughout the global warming, no, they affect us. Very strong heat in our lives. Init na siya kaayo. That's why mag-tree planting ta karon. Let's go! To plant more trees.
Go. Go.
You have here ay finish ka. Nara tree. Nga itong itanom. Okay, init na dyan siya kaayo guys. So, mientras pwede pa, magtanong na tag Nara.
Nara o. Nara o.
Nara siya sa ako ah.
Ulur.
Sige, go.
Sige, go.
Doon. Okay.
Gatay. Pangkatra ni mama.
So, I have here another tree.
Ito dito mama. Na daw.
Ta-da! So kapadayon karon ang among tree planting hair activity so ano na siya. It's a good nga magtanom jud siya kahoy. And again, so ano na po ito, nakatanom na po tayo isa ka trees. So that's why we need to plant more trees no para sa environment. That's why karon init na siya kaayo and it's not too late nga magtanom og kahoy. And I hope nga I will encourage to each and everyone nga magtanom dito og kahoy to protect our environment, to protect the world and protect the earth. Because right now there's a lot of calamities that are facing. No, dahil kita yung calamities nga atong naagian, isa ang makaprevent sa calamities sa mga typhoon, climate change, isa nga magtanom ta og more trees. So I hope you enjoy our planting for today and dahil pa may kahoy nga itanom. Let's go! So guys, we are done here our tree planting and so we're grateful and thankful nga daghan may kahoy nga natanom. Nara tree is almost 100 Nara nga among natanom and I hope nga matubo dito siya og maayo. Okay, because for me is an adventure and nature lover. I want to care also our environment and also our planet. Okay guys, so mga to among tree planting for today and I'm super thankful and grateful nga daghan may karon na tanong nga mga kahoy, no? And today we are facing high temperature of our planet and also in our country and also in our place. So I think it's kaan ka ng isa nga makapaunhod no, sa temperature sa health effect sa atong places ang pagtanong ng kahoy because our trees is producing elements that produce the health effects of our region all over our planet. So thank you.